Here's day 5 of restoring a boat. Today will be the engine. High hopes for this thing. Got to go run some errands and then we'll be right back at it. All right, I got the gas tank filled up, fuel line attached, went to prime it, and we aren't getting anything. A leak, so nothing can get in there. So gonna replace that fuel line, and yeah, I don't think this is a one-day thing anymore. I saw a simple way to test this just scrolling on YouTube one time, and if it makes a trumpet sound when you blow in it, then it's not clogged and it's good to go. So I say good. Actually had some great fuel line that fit on perfectly, just spare fuel line, so I'm gonna run that through, and honestly I think it should be good then, but we'll see. There might be another problem, never know.